Okay, now that we've gone through already a first time, we're trying to cut out on film. I don't want to bore you guys that, and I'm running on a low battery now all of a sudden. So now that everything's gone through once and we've got out a thing of butter, what we're going to do is finish this one a second time to get any remaining butter. And now I was having trouble this is the first time I've used this new press. That's kind of why we're doing this new video in the first place. I've written a blog before, but I didn't add any pictures or anything like that. Anyway, getting a good press off of it like that. Now you see how much butter we got out of that a second time? I don't know if you're noticing that. You'll be able to notice as you're straining it, it comes out really dark brown, and that's obviously the water and this toxic green, almost nuclear waste. But
looks like
it's not. Yes, it's like radiates into the caverns of outer space. Here. Anyway, here's a good little trick. If you just set it down and push all your weight down on it, the press actually has a pocket here underneath, and then I can just dump it. So, ladies, I guess you won't need 2 or 3 men. You're gonna have to go back to your monogamous. Oh, it's not monogamous. Monogamous.
You can do it.
Whatever.
By
I
yourself.
don't speak.
Just use your weight, girls.
Yes. Yeah. All right. And that's enough for now. Anyway, what I'm going to do is repeat the cycle. We've already done it once. It's back in there. And now this time, each time when I'm done, we're just dumping it out into the trash now. This is just waste. Here, we haven't found anything practical you can do with it. I have no idea if you can turn that into hash or if there's anything in there worth doing anything with. Perhaps you could make it into some sort of a paper or rope or clothing. I have no idea what you could do with it, but obviously it's not actually waste. You might be able to put it into some sort of a compost pile to use as fertilizer. I have no idea the possibilities there. So anyway, what I'm going to do is just repeat this, and I'll get back to you as soon as we're done.